Hey guys, it's Leanne, the crafty little ninja, and today I'm gonna try to make this shell resin kit. I got this whole kit from my local craft store, Ben Franklin, for about $12 or $15. They import these kits and all of the other UV resin supplies from Japan, so we're super lucky to have it here in Hawaii. So I'm just opening up the kit, and you can see all of the instructions is in Japanese. So some kits come with English instructions, but this one doesn't. It's okay though, because I'm just gonna kind of do it my own way. So I'm just showing you all of the supplies that it comes with. It comes with a lot of goodies. The shells are pretty cool, findings, the resin mold, some gems, and it comes with some pigments and glitter. I'm gonna be using my own pigments though. So it also comes with these little cutout for the resin inclusions, and you can see the mold is actually a pretty big mold. So here I'm using my own resin coloring. It's got some glitters and some blue in it, and I decided to make it kind of ombre. And for the ombre, you just kind of mix it together until you are satisfied with the gradient. Then I added some clear, mix that in a bit, and I'm going to add some sand. Sand doesn't come with this kit, but I figured it's the beach scene, so I got some sand in there. And the kit does come with this blue crust shells, but I have my own on hand, so I just use my own. So it goes into the UV lamp for the first time, and while it's curing, I took out the fish and star, and I'm just gonna cut that out. Each time it goes into the lamp, it takes about 2 minutes to cure, so you have some downtime to prep for the next stage or do another project. So it's come out, it's cured, and I'm adding a whole another layer of just clear resin, and I'm gonna put the big shell in. I thought this was pretty cool when I picked up the kit. Like there's you kind of have a shell in the shell inception kind of thing. So here I'm adding more sand and more shells. I looked at the kit instructions for placing the fish and the star, and when it came out, I had to add one more layer of clear resin, and then I'm going to add these larger shells. And these shells are really pretty. And it also comes with these little pearls and gems, so I'm gonna use all of it for this kit. I think this is the third time in the lamp, and now it's the unmolding, which is the most fun part, seeing if everything comes out, hoping there's no bubbles. And it looks pretty good in the back and the front. So now I'm opening the findings. So this is a ball chain, a jump ring, and a little, I want to say, eye hole top part. So you put a little bit of resin, you put this little finding on top, you cure it, and then now you can attach your jump ring. So that's a really cool little resin finding. So that's cured, and now I'm just gonna add the jump ring, the ball chain, and now you have a cute little keychain charm, purse charm, and it's super sparkly, glittery, and that was really fun. I hope you guys enjoyed it.